So we'll be talking about how to see your card number on the Navy Federal app. If you've ever needed your debit or credit card number quickly and didn't know where to find it, this video's for you. Make sure you watch until the end because we'll walk through the steps clearly and also answer a common safety question. To get started, open the Navy Federal app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Accounts tab. From there, select the debit or credit card account for which you want to view the card number. After opening the card account, tap on Manage Card. Inside the Card Details section, you'll be able to see your card number listed under Card Number. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. If you're using a Navy Federal Visa card, there's another option available. You can tap the Visa logo icon located in the top right corner of the app, which will also display your card number. For users who have multiple cards linked to their Navy Federal account, the process is the same. Simply log in, choose the specific card you want to view, and check the Card Details section to find the corresponding card number. Now, you might be wondering if it's safe to view your card number in the Navy Federal app. The answer is yes. The app uses strong security measures such as encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your personal and financial information. And that's it. That's how you can view your card number using the Navy Federal app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.